Day one, it's early. I've got the light on in the Jeep because today's the day we make a change and we ramp up physical fitness. And, it's kind of hard to have something on your vehicle that says ramp it up lifestyle and you're not really living authentically. I found an area I'm weak in. I'm going to do something about it. 51 years old. It's been 25 years since really getting back into the gym as a lifestyle. And I've suffered as a result of that, right? So, higher blood pressure and all the other stuff that comes with that. Fortunately, I found a product called Trinont that their enzymes have helped me lower some of that blood pressure and live a better quality life. But you need to be balanced in everything, right? Not only am I taking some good nutritionals, but I need to exercise and to get fit. I put on about 40 pounds. I'll find out on the scale this morning. I want to take that off and I want to get back to where I'm comfortable and I'm living a life that I can be the best that I can be, right? Day one, we've done the exercise bike for 15 minutes, the treadmill for 10 minutes, and now I'm walking 2 miles in the gym by myself. That should tell you something. If it was easy, everybody would do it, right? Follow me on this journey. If you're struggling and you're trying to get back to the gym, guys, I've been saying I'm going to go back to the gym for a year or so. Start with an hour and work myself in and make sure I get some good calisthenics and start working some of those muscle groups, guys. It's not going to be without pain, but anything worth having should cost you something, right? I'm going to pay that cost because it's pretty exciting to have that opportunity. Follow me on this channel, right? Ramp It Up Lifestyle is more than just a saying. It's a way of living. I want to see how many people want to ramp up their life with me. So if you're on board, let's go. All right, see you soon.